Ethan Kadi, third period. V-separ. Electrons arrange themselves as far apart from each other than around the central atom. Lone pairs repel the most. Shared pairs have opposite spins and occupy less space than that of a pair around one atom. Polar. A type of bond where a pair of electrons is unequally shared between two atoms. The geometry of these bonds do not have symmetry. Nonpolar. A type of bond where a pair of electrons is equally shared between the two atoms. The geometry of these bonds have symmetry. Linear. Carbon dioxide has a bonding of 180 degrees, has 4 shared electron pairs, 0 lone pairs, and is nonpolar. The pink is carbon and the blue is oxygen. Bent. H2O has a bonding of 104.5 degrees, has shared electron pairs of 2, 0 lone pairs, and is polar. The blue is oxygen and the white is hydrogen. Trigonal planar. Boron trifluoride has a bond angle of 120 degrees, 9 shared electron pairs, 0 lone pairs, is nonpolar. The orange is boron and the red is fluorine. Trigonal pyramidal. Nitrogen trifluoride has a bond angle of less than 109.5 degrees, has 9 shared electron pairs, 1 lone pair, and is polar. The purple is nitrogen and the red is fluorine. Tetrahedral. Carbon tetrachloride has a bond angle of 109.5 degrees, 12 shared electron pairs, 0 lone pairs, and is nonpolar. The pink is carbon and the yellow is chlorine. Trigonal bipyramidal. Phosphorus pentachloride has a bond angle of 90 and 120 degrees, has 15 shared electron pairs and 0 lone pairs. It's also nonpolar. Octahedral sulfur hexachloride has a bond angle of 90 degrees, 18 shared electron pairs and 0 lone pairs. It's nonpolar.